Welcome to RaiGurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about Swimlane. We'll see here what is Swimlane, how we can use the Swimlane within our rally projects, what are the characteristics or what are the benefits of using Swimlane within our rally project management tool. When we are talking about any particular project management tool, it's always required to club some of the stuffs within our rally instance. Let's say we want to create a grouping. That grouping will help us to make it understand how the project is progressing. Let's say we want to visualize any of the informations. Those informations are available within our rally project management, and that information needed to track our project progress. Then this type of swim lane or grouping will help us to understand how we are progressing and where we are, even though we want to track some of the informations which is available. Now to have a look on Swimlane, now to work with Swimlane, we always need to have the tracking board, and from there team board. Now to apply the Swimlane, we have to select on Swimlane. So what is Swimlane? Swimlane is helping us to group some of the informations together. Let's see, we want to prioritize the blocked informations. So we don't have any blocked content within this board. So here, let me add some block content. And once this block content is available, we have to just filter it out the block Swimlane by, and this information showing on top. So this will help us to analyze which all informations are blocked and what's the reason behind it. So Swimlane is clubbing multiple information together so that we can visualize our data easily. We don't have to make much effort to do this. So exactly similar way, we can also play around with different other informations. Let's consider we want to filter it out, create it by. So here we have created by informations available with all those data. So that's why it's showing on top. Let's say if any of this data don't have the created by, then probably that information will not showcase for us. Let's consider we want to just filter it out owner detail. So in owner sections, we have just one person who is having or owning that group. So you can see the difference there. So this is how we can club it together, multiple information, so that we can divide this. We can also even show empty swim lane. If we have any empty swim lane, that is also possible to view it. If any of the information we want to see created by, if created by is there or not, we can figure it out or just switch this information. Exactly same like owner, parent, ready, release. So if any of the information is in ready state, we can filter it out easily. That you can find it out once we'll select ready filter. So it means this is a filtration wizard where we can filter some of these stuffs on top. So whichever is true in Swimlane, that is visible on top, and whichever information is not true, that is false, which is lying down into the bottom sections of Swimlane. So Swimlane is making our life easy to visualize the stuff according to our need. Any project which is having informations related to the Swimlane, we can filter it out easily. So within the Swimlane, we will have no entry, affected documentation block created by expedite, iterations, owner, parent with the user story, release node submitted by and test cases. By these wizards, we can filter it out for informations within our team board. So that's all from Rally Swimlane. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.